with this house. Let's see what we've done. First episode, remember we had to break in the door. So this was all broken up. Let's go inside. So really quickly, let's start with the stairs. So I recovered the stairs. I was at Home Depot. I think I was at Menards. And I saw this material. It's about like this thick, and it's rubber. When we first walked in, originally there was an alarm panel, and the alarm box was right there. So I removed all of that. So to make everything clean, painted this light here white. I'll just walk you through kind of some stuff that I did. So this light is white, changed the light bulbs, changed everything throughout the house. All new lights, all new light fixtures throughout the entire house. So I basically went with white baseboards all the way around, changed all the fixtures, the light wall sockets, everything like that. We did some spring cleaning here because all of that was really dirty. Yeah. This light up here is actually pretty cool because it's a night light. And it's also a regular kitchen light as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. Backsplash, we put that in, fitted everything, fitted all the wall sockets in. The countertop, I know this is supposed to be about the countertop, but I'm still working on the countertop, y'all. I've been doing a lot, and it's cool to say that you messed up on something, but I've been doing a lot of messing up on this countertop. I think I got it down. I'm gonna go in and sand everything down, just to get the tackiness off, because I was sanding some stuff and some sawdust got all around the countertop and it didn't have time to cure properly. So I just gotta go in and redo it. So no big deal. We refinished all of the cabinets, painted, put all of the handles and everything. These are all like custom painted, and I can't find the screws for that one right there. So that's just the last one that I have to do. That's this one right here. And before we got started with everything, they all looked like this. So that's how they looked. So I'm just showing you guys that you can make a big difference just by painting some stuff here. And pretty much that's it. I'm gonna be doing some basement stuff, getting everything tidy down there. But this is basically where we are. I'm not finished with the countertops yet. I still have to get the sink. We're gonna replace this dishwasher. I don't know if I should go white or stainless steel. Definitely thinking about a white sink right here. And other than that, oh yeah, let me show you something else that's kind of cool. So I got this business card holder from Office Depot. Basically, I'm gonna hook it on the wall, either right there, something like that. This is a remote control. So I actually installed some lights. Press the on button here. Right there. Yep. So these lights underneath there, and I'm able to actually, I gotta point it towards, this is actually the receiver for that right there. So as long as I point this towards that, it'll change the colors. So I thought that was pretty cool. Not something that you will have on all the time, but let's say it's Halloween. and you want to have some festive stuff going on in the kitchen, or let's say it's Christmas time and you celebrate holidays, you know what I mean? Look at that. That's kind of neat to have in the kitchen. So I just thought, or you can just have it plain. These are night lights underneath behind here. So the same lighting that you see right there, it's all the way around right there. So at night, the top of the countertop is pretty lit, and then you can kind of change the color, change the flow, do some things that you need. You know what I mean? So this is a house. I'm trying to make it cool and comfortable, but neat, nice and neat. So not like we want to go purple or anything like that, but who knows? It's kind of cool. So basically I'm just saying this is where we are now, with the kitchen and everything. Just walking you through kind of some things that I've done. These are the baseboards, cabinets. Windows, plastics just got to come off of there. Not sure if I'm gonna replace the windows or leave them like that. Just kind of thinking. So I really need you guys to like and subscribe. Doing a lot of hard work here. I want to build my channel. Surplus Bargains channel is basically a channel that does DIY stuff, how to do different things, shows you a lot of cool things. We do automotive, we do how-to cool projects that we put things together, woodworking, all that type of stuff. On this episode, I happen to be working on a house. So as you can see, if you look at, I think I'm gonna have some snippets. Hey, this is how it used to look, whatever. So I'll probably put that in while I'm editing. But other than that, this is basically a kitchen that needed to be completely restored. And all I did was just took some cool colors, put them together, what you can do. This floor isn't even like, don't get me wrong, it's professionally installed, but I laid that floor right on top of everything else. But if you look at how everything is sealed in, you can't tell. If you look at the floor, yes, I laid everything on top, but you still, this is called finished work, guys. It's real simple. If you just take the time, even with the floor, even with this, how that goes in there, you don't have to just do the conventional wood strips or anything like that. So I'm hoping this floor turns out good, but you know, if it doesn't, then we'll just figure out how to make it look good, and then we'll just put some finish on the top of it. But other than that, this floor is getting there. My dad's doing the floor. Cross my fingers on that, but he's skilled too, and he knows what he's doing. So let's see what he's got to do. And then basically I'm gonna be working in the kitchen, just finishing off some stuff here. I'm gonna be letting this epoxy dry, and then I'm gonna come back and sand down the entire countertop. It's not gonna be a lot of work. And then after I sand it down, I have some sandpaper that's really fine grit, and it's actually for wet sanding. So I'm hoping that works well on this. We'll see. And then I'll probably go over the top with another hardener, and then that'll be that for this. But I'm not sure what colors are gonna come out, but this is actually in the kind of the middle stages of kind of finishing up. So you'll have to stay tuned and see how the countertops turn out. But this is basically how everything is turning out so far. I'm pretty pleased with it. Was a lot of work so far. I'm still buttoning up some stuff, like how you see all of this stuff. I just have to go around, make sure everything is caulked in. Once I sand all of this stuff in, that'll all blend in. Everything should blend in, drop the sink in. And then the kitchen will look a lot more finished. Let's change this purple lighting a little bit. I kind of like this a lot better. But yeah, other than that, we're about to go and start working in the basement. So like and subscribe. I want you to comment on what you think about these stairs. I actually put these stairs, so I did these stairs, and then I took pictures of everything and put it on like one of those DIY how-to vlog channels where a lot of people, the DIY Facebook channels. So this particular channel, oh my God, as soon as I said I put a yoga mat on the stairs, they beat me up. But I should have said it's a fitness mat. That it's a fitness, it's still the same thing. It's a fitness mat. I'm not gonna really go too much into it, but it's a fitness mat, and I actually put it in there, but it actually is, this is actually pretty nice. It's nice and quiet. So we'll see. Like and subscribe. We'll see what you guys think about that. And other than that, that's it.